road while driving down the freeway, and some of the trucks were from a truck show over at Nick Leslie's farm. And what we're doing today is I'm going to kind of show you the evolution of a truck lettering job that it's been done by, I believe, 3 different people, and now it's going to be 4 different people, of course 4 different trucks, but the same company. I'm going to get the camera up a little closer so you can see how the lettering has kind of changed a little bit. Okay, so now we have the Kenworth red door that was done by somebody, all work done by hand. I believe they said this was from maybe 10 years ago, I think. I could be wrong, maybe even earlier than that by the looks of the door. Could be 15 years ago. And then we have this truck door, same company, different style. Although I believe these 2 were done by the same person. I think that's what she told me. I could be wrong. And then I believe this person passed away. So the truck, their next truck was lettered like this. A little different, of course, because it's done by a different person. And they recently bought one more truck with the same colors. And based on what they sent me as far as the lettering design, I sent them back something a little different. I sent this back to them, and the lady liked it. She said it looks great, so I'm going to get that done. And despite the cold weather today, I'm going to get this job done. Oh, yes, I am. Okay, time to go to work. Okay, there it is, my blank canvas. Very nice. Side, because, you know, it's a pretty cold day today out here, but the heat lamps on each side of me there really help in keeping the area where I'm at kind of nice and warm. It's almost like standing in the sunshine, because, you know, in all actuality, the temperature in the shop right now, it's 40 degrees. That's cold. This morning it was in the 20s. I want to show you something also. Let's see oh, that's no good. Let's see if you can check this out. Okay. I have a hat on because it got cold. This is brush oil. Look, it's frozen. Brush oil frozen. Well, it's not frozen, but it's kind of hard, almost like lard in the refrigerator. And even my paint is acting a little on the cold side when it's cold. So, okay, I'm gonna finish. Oops. Stay still. I'm gonna finish off this truck and get it done. Que pendeja. I misspelled Olympia. I forgot the P. Stupida. So I'm going to take that off. Redo that. Mensa. Que pendeja. Alright. Back to the drawing board. Let's make sure I got it spelled right. Olympia. Que pendeja. You know, I was talking to Ron Purcell the other day on the phone, and he was telling me that I should use the one-shot reducer in my paint, because he feels that it helps the paint stay shiny. So, you know, whenever you get a chance to talk to somebody like a Ron Purcell that's, you know, pretty knowledgeable about things, you gotta listen to him. So I think from now on, I used to just do it once in a while, but I think that from now on, when I reduce my paint, I will use the one-shot reducers. Because if that's what it takes to keep the paint shiny longer, because as we all know, you know, these trucks, they get quite a beating on the road, and they get the, you know, when they high pressure wash them and all that stuff, they're not very nice to the little trucks. And now for the big finish. Very good. Okay, very good. Oops! My brush is stuck to the mall stick. Okay. Well, it's still pretty cold out here. I got the truck done. Looks pretty good. It's getting kind of dark as well. But I'll bring the camera up a little closer so you can check it out, okay? Let's get it closer. Watch out, dog. Maybe if I come this way. There you go. So we got the new lettering. Looks really good. As you can see, this is a fine example of a log truck. It's got all the bells and whistles. Very nice job. So I'm now going to take this log truck and put it up in the front yard so that when the trucks and cars drive past, it'll work as a great form of advertising for my business. Because it's all about the business, you know. All right, see ya. Bye.